In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update OneDrive. Keeping OneDrive up to date ensures you get the latest features, performance improvements, and important security fixes from Microsoft. We'll walk through the exact path on your desktop so you can confirm your current version and grab the newest production release directly from the official site. Start at the notification area on your desktop, usually at the bottom right of the taskbar near the clock. Click the small arrow, sometimes called the caret, to reveal hidden icons. If OneDrive isn't already visible, this expands the tray so you can find it. Look for the cloud icon that represents OneDrive. It might appear as a white or blue cloud, depending on your theme or status. Click that cloud icon to open OneDrive's menu. In the OneDrive menu, click the Settings gear. This gear icon opens the app's controls and preferences. Next, choose the Settings tab. This is where you can manage general behaviors and access more detailed app information. From there, select About. The About section provides technical details about your OneDrive installation, including the version number currently running on your device. You'll see your OneDrive version displayed here. Click that version number. It's an active link that takes you to Microsoft's official OneDrive webpage associated with your build. Opening the link ensures you're checking against the correct source and not a third-party site, which is important for both security and reliability. Once your browser opens, look for and click Downloads. This section is dedicated to the latest OneDrive releases available for end users. On the Downloads page, you'll see the latest production version listed. Production means it's the stable, broadly released build that Microsoft recommends for everyday use, not a preview or beta. This page typically detects your operating system automatically and presents the installer that matches your device, helping you avoid compatibility issues. When you've confirmed you're on the official Microsoft page and found the production release, click Download. That action retrieves the latest installer so you can update from a trusted source. If you're on a managed or work device, your organization's policies may control updates. In that case, your IT team might handle installation or require admin permission. It's also a good idea to save any work and ensure you have a stable internet connection while you download. And that's it. By following these steps, you've verified your current OneDrive version, navigated to the official site, and downloaded the latest production build to keep your OneDrive running smoothly and securely.